Hello, there, wonderful parents and caregivers. I am Laverick, your literacy coach, and welcome to our 30-day Montessori literacy journey. This week, we've been sharing daily tips that help learners become confident reader and strong learners. I'm sure you've been, getting across with us, and you are always updated the Montessori way. And perhaps you missed any of our daily short or post. Don't worry, I've got you covered. This video is a recap of the first 5 literacy tips to guide you and your little one on this wonderful, beautiful learning path. So, once again, tip number 1: label everything in your house that serves as the environment of your learner or your child. Label everything. Take your time to do this. Chairs, caps, doors, toys, and more. Label everything. Why? Simply because children learn fast when environment speaks to them. Yes, they learn faster, and this builds word recognition naturally in their everyday encounters. It builds word recognition. And what's more important for learners to learn to read when they can recognize, they can recognize words. So that is it. Label everything around them. Number 2, use lowercase first. Lowercase, not uppercase. Yeah. When introducing letters, focus on lowercase first. So at this level, don't concentrate them on capital letters. Why? Most of the words learners write, or most of the words with which they express themselves while writing, is more of lower cases. And that is it. It's only once in a while they get to use capitals at the beginning of words. So if a word is having like 10 letters, which means it's only one of them. If the word is one that requires capital letter, it's only one of them that will take the capital. So this is the major. I'm sure that this has answered some of the questions, the goal on in your mind. The why should you use small or lowercase and not uppercase to teach reading to your learners? That's just the reason there. The reason is because most of the words that we use to express themselves writing are in lowercase. And that so this gives them a real world advantage early on. Number 3, very important. Teach letter sounds before names. Keep this in mind. Teach letter sounds before names. In Montessori, phonics comes before letter names. Sounds of letters come before letter names. That is it. So instead of saying A is for apple, say instead A as an apple. Instead of saying B is for ball, no, you should say B as in ball. Using the sound. This is a quick catch to raise confident learners and readers. More importantly, this builds a real foundation and strong foundation for blending and decoding words. That's number 4 here, please. Number 4, use sandal salt. You know what? This is very important here. Sandal salt. Before you start writing with pencil, create time, use sound, make curves, make lines, and mention the shape you're making for them. If it is curve, let them know. Curve, curve, curve on sandal swords. This makes learning real to them. It makes shapes that make up letters or sound real to them. That's very important. Use sound and sort before writing for them. Okay, beautiful. Number 5, the fifth of them. Very important, please. Limit gadgets and increase or improve hands-on. So, this is very important. Limit gadgets and improve hands-on for now. Yes. Engage more hands-on. Montessori, it encourages and emphasizes real hands-on experiences. The secret is too much screen time can delay literacy development. That is a fact there. And you have to keep this in mind. Too much gadgets can delay their literacy skill development. Yes. So, give your child puzzles, books, flashcards, and real tools to explore and play. Yes, these first 5 tips may look simple, but they lay a strong foundation for effective, literacy skill development in the Montessori way. And this is the truth. Now, in week 2, we will focus on word formation. That is it. We'll focus on word formation tips for forming words for younger ones. I wish you would never miss it. But miss it. Apart from word formation, we were looking for sound learning also. And then the ability to create a free-to-reach environment at home. And please don't forget to hit subscribe if you're watching me on YouTube. And don't forget to follow me also at Loverick Adili Italy for more daily Montessori insight. And until we meet, keep learning, keep moving, and keep enjoying your child's literacy journey with joy. Bye-bye for now.